CBSE Board Exams 2021 dates to be announced on December 31st. Various states decide on resuming normal classes. Tamil Nadu teacher praised by Prime Minister for innovation in teaching. Maharashtra teachers demand clarity on conducting SSC and HSC examinations. Parents and teachers in Pune welcome the decision to reopen schools. 16% candidates in Ludhiana skipped recruitment test for Master Cadre in Punjabi and Hindi. School transfer to serve greater interest of students, says Odisha High Court. Sikh Guru's history to be included in school syllabus, says Yogi Adityanath. KIIT International School provides wholesome education to children with special needs. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank will announce the examination dates for CBSE Boards 2021 on December 31st at 6 pm. The minister on Friday tweeted major announcements for students and parents. I will announce the date when the exams will commence for students appearing for CBSE Board Exams 2021. Stay tuned. On December 22nd, while interacting with teachers in a webinar, the Education Minister had announced that board examinations will not be held till February 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and the dates will be announced after considering the situation. While the daily national coronavirus cases dropping below 30,000, several states and UTs have decided to reopen schools. While some states are resuming normal classes gradually from January 1st, some have decided to open schools only for senior students. The Ministry of Home Affairs had also issued guidelines on reopening of schools, wherein states and UTs have been given powers to take decisions on resumption of classes in a graded manner. While addressing the nation through the 72nd edition of his monthly radio program and the last Mann Ki Baat of the year 2020 on Sunday, the Prime Minister said, I read about a teacher from Tamil Nadu. Her name is Hemlata NK, and she teaches the oldest language of the world, Tamil, at a school in Viduppuram. Even the COVID-19 pandemic could not create hurdles in her teaching. Challenges definitely were there, but she found out an innovative way. She recorded all the 53 chapters of the course, created animated videos, and put them in a pen drive and distributed that amongst her students. Her students got a lot of help from this. They understood the chapters visually. Along with this, she kept interacting with the students telephonically. Thus, the study became quite interesting for the students. Teachers groups across Maharashtra have demanded the Education Department to give them more clarity on conducting SSC Class 10 and HSC Class 12 examinations, which were likely to take place in May-June 2021 due to the COVID-19 outbreak, and the lockdown was enforced by it. In a letter addressed to the department on Sunday, the Bharatiya Janata Party Teachers Cell said that there was a lot of uncertainty about the board exams. The process for form filling has begun for classes 10 and 12, but there is no clarity on conducting exams. The decision to reopen schools by the Pune Municipal Corporation in the city limits have been welcomed by many parents as well as schools, though some have exercised caution. Most parents believe that even though there is a new strain of the virus, there is no need to worry. It is imperative that children are trained to continue taking all necessary precautions while they are out. The PMC on Thursday announced that schools in Pune will reopen from January 4th. As per the order, classes 9 and 12 will reopen in the first phase. After parents and guardians have been protesting the decision to hand over SCB Medical Public School to DAV management, the Odisha High Court has said that transfer will serve greater interest of the students. The court said the management handover decision cannot be said to be arbitrary, unreasonable and contrary to the provisions of law and declined to intervene against it. Sanjeev Kumar, Chenara had filed a PIL seeking direction to the School and Mass Education Department to take over the management of SCB Medical Public School and further continue the affiliation of ICSE. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath organized Gurbani Kirtan and Langar at his official residence on Sunday to mark Sahibzada Divas and the martyrdom of 4 Sahibzadas of Sikh Guru Gobind Singh and Mata Gujri. He also announced that the history of Sikh Gurus will be included in school curriculum in the state and celebrates Sahibzada Divas in schools on December 27th every year. The Chief Minister reminded the gathering how the Sahibzadas set example of protecting the Hindu religion. He added that the last Sahibzada had put up a fight against the order of then Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and refused to convert to Islam. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 passed by the Parliament requires the state to provide free and compulsory education to all the children from the age of 6 to 10 years and has the potential to herald an era of inclusive growth in India. However, providing equal opportunities for persons with disabilities has always been observed as a barrier in the development of the education system. The Special Education Need Department of KIIT International School, Bhubaneswar is the most professional and advanced department in Odisha which offers inclusive education. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.